That doesn't go up as high as I thought.
Before I moved to Georgia for 9 months, I had some time to clean up these cars. I wanted to clean them up because not only were they sitting in my dad's driveway, but it would just help me in the future.
Yeah, the boots. You want the rabbit pelt?
No.
Oh! Oh my god, no way. It's a bear mask. Goodbye! What else we got? That's the air intake. These are like siding pieces?
I don't know.
Should we keep the squeegee?
Nah, I think you can throw that out too. You can throw out the metal thing, who knows what it was
I'm
for.
gonna get a vacuum. Look at how much is left, because that's what's falling out. I'm gonna get a vacuum and I'm just gonna punch the whole thing out so that it doesn't cave anymore.
In the hood, I found some pretty old tools that were obviously used for the Beetle, but there was a original jack stand in there that I'll definitely be restoring for this car.
Ooh, that should not be thrown out. I need to grab that.
What's the VIN plate?
Type 1, I don't know. Looks like it had something stuck to it.
What's the VIN?
That's supposed to be...
Okay.
It's supposed to be somewhere in there. I don't know if it has the VIN, but it has all the original...
If you want to keep that for the size, I don't know if you want to use it again, but...
It might just be good just to have the label. I'll keep it for now. A little... Oh, I don't even know if that focused. Whatever. Alright. Oh, Dad. Look at how clean it looks under here.
Brandy new?
Honestly, better than I was thinking. This fuel tank might be good.
Look at the gas tank. It looks great. Unlike the wheel well. There's going to be a lot of vacuuming this video because of how much rust was dumping onto the driveway. Here, take a listen to this. If you listen closely, you can hear how much rust I am vacuuming out of this car.
Sounds like I'm winning a slot machine at Vegas. Holy shit. This is gonna be upsetting to do. Oh boy. I'll literally just pull this out and I'll grab out. Yeah. Time to load shit back in. Better. Let's go somewhere safe.
Can you guess what's next? That's right, more vacuuming.
Don't worry, I'll move you. Yeah, can you see a little better now? Oh, I need to go a little this way and a little down. There we go. Hopefully that was a good shot. Huh. So, that's the heating channel. Very nice. There is no structural support in this thing.
Okay, it looks bad, but even if it was a small hole or the whole thing's gone, I was going to replace it either way.
It's called weight reduction.
Okay, it's pretty bad.
Okay.
I got a little tired of vacuuming, so I took a break and helped my dad move some palm trees.
Okay, you're done with the video.
Yeah. Here's my little break montage. Don't think that's a keeper. I think that's pretty shot. That is brittle. Plastic. A lot more brittle old floor mat. Has the original Volkswagen logo on it. Oh well.
Ryan, you really have to get acclimated with...
I think I found some wires from the taillights. At least the throttle cable's here. Oh no.
We've seen enough wrong with the Beetle, let's move on to the Rabbit. While cleaning up the Rabbit, I found a few more cool things, such as hair clips, as well as this old Tic Tac container that I found pretty cool.
Alright. Why are there just wires hanging out? What is this supposed to be? What are these wires for? What are these?
Oh, there's a bunch of crap that's here from whoever did it. The guy did a shit job.
Yep, well, maybe that'll make it easier. Look, they're fucking just missing a whole bolt right there.
One of the things I wanted to do before I left was see if the Rabbit engine would turn over. So we put it in gear and saw if we could push it.
Oh! It went!
You can go backwards.
I know.
Okay, motor turns.
Alright, now let's push start it. Alright, so, that's not bad. Would it hurt to put some in, though?
No, you should put it anyway.
Alright,
No
then.
matter what. Tweak it sideways or you'll break the top of the spark plug off. That's what the boot comes in.
Still-
Yes? No?
No.
Too small?
It was 20 millimeter.
Oh,
Oh, okay, that one is. Okay.
that fits?
Yep,
Okay.
that doesn't, though.
Oh, half inch?
Yeah.
Most extensions you do to
I-
push on,
Yeah.
that has the lock on it and it comes in real handy because you can't leave a socket behind.
Other way. Yeah.
You can do it by hand probably.
First time taking out a spark plug.
Yay!
This was my first time ever messing with an engine. I really haven't done this at all in my life. And with the Rabbit engine so messed up from the previous owner, I'm really gonna be learning a lot from this car.
But you know what I mean?
Ooh, that's some nice.
To make sure nothing falls in the hole.
It's pretty black.
Run rich.
Mmm. Yummy.
Just do a little boop.
I just wanted to see, like, how worn it was, or, like, if the walls were scarred.
A little more. There you go.
That's it?
Yeah, it'll spread around inside.
Okay.
Right now,
Alright. No.
it's you see that it's the top of those plugs.
Yeah. Okay.
They come with like a.
One done.
Now that one is done, we could do a speed run through the rest of them.
You want to twist that up? You can probably get it.
Holy shit.
The speed run didn't last too long because some spark plugs were putting up a good fight.
Holy shit. Well, the fourth one's also not going too hot.
Okay, plug me into your extension cord.
You think it was rust that got in the...
I don't know.
Ta-da! Yay!
It's got oil in it. That's all that matters.
Oh, yeah. I need to do that.
Now that all the cleaning is done, we're going to put the cars back to where they're going to sit for a while. But, as you can see, the Rabbit has to be hauled around by a jack. This is because the steering column is locked. We're going to solve that.
So what?
To solve this problem, we have to replace the ignition switch, because we don't have a key, so that we can actually turn the front wheels.
Screwdriver? It's skinnier?
No. You know why?
Why?
It's not even a clip, it's just a little tab. Got one of them off. I just have to... Oh, it's just like in there. Oh. There we go.
It's off.
Yay. Can wash that up. What, and then it's just
What size nut?
I have no
Oh,
idea.
it's a big one, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a big boy.
It's a big kahuna?
Or, oh god.
And my camera died. Once again, I'm not a professional.
A recreation of me taking off the wheel.
No.
Now, no.
Now, is this a retaining clip right here? I can't see because I have my glasses on. I've got a black clip.
Oh, is that for this? Oh. Oh. What was that? Shit happened.
Now, what's holding it though? Is there another wire?
Yes, there is. If I take it apart, I can put it back together. I think that's just to leave it in. So, bolt and pull out.
I don't know.
Unless we do have to get this off, but this looks kind of wedged in there.
What size do you think it is? Oh, it's an Allen?
Yeah, it's an Allen. Wow, isn't this great? We will be back after we find an Allen wrench. Wait, was I stupid? Yeah. All right.
Now what?
Now it's detached from the steering rack.
Is it moving at all?
Oh my god, wow, isn't that crazy? We got it out, yay! We can go to the next part of the video.
I think I've been out of focus for every single video taken before this point. So let's do this. Wheel. Can you see it? Am I clear? If this comes out clear, I'm gonna die. Because then I've been doing this wrong for all the previous takes. Does that look better? Blah blah blah, steering wheel. Wow, pulled it out. If this looks better, I don't know. Does that look good? Bop. Bop. steering wheel. Pop. Pop. But now we're in focus, hopefully. So we took a break on pulling out the ignition switch. I realized that I should probably remove more of the dash to do that, which will be, I'll do that a little later. But for now, I did get the steering wheel out. It does have a steering wheel cover on it, whoever sewed it on, and who knows when, 30 years ago. And I'm hoping that when I take it off, what's underneath will be, hopefully, the steering wheel in perfect condition. So we're going to rip it off and see how the steering wheel looks. Because it'll probably come out way easier. Yes, it will. Gotta be careful not to stab it. This smells exactly like the interior of the car, which is dust and dirt and grime that is just being caked off of this. It's so bad. Looks somewhat better. You just turn off the lights on me?
Hold on, before you finish, I gotta give you this, just because I went through trouble of getting it.
Oh.
Just pull.
Oh, that would have been way easier. Oh my god, what am I doing? Well, I can do the last few with it.
Better late than never.
Oh my god, that was so much easier. Bruh!
I just went and went through all of them. Just cut it.
Okay.
He's like, oh, now it's nasty looking.
That's not the worst. Definitely had just gunk getting up in it for years. That's fucking
Garbage.
A lot of the car is going to be garbage.
What, a scrub daddy?
Why not? I'll probably get all the grime and gunk out of it. Why not a little glow up? Cleaned up nice. Oh my god, look at
What, mud?
yeah, it's just turning brown. I'm gonna have the steering wheel all nice and everything else is gonna be moldy and dirty. It's just like crazy how that looks different. You can even see just the glare on it.
This is the sun.
I know. Just apply.
Looks like.
Huh? Looks a little better. Or is that just me thinking?
No, it does. It does.
Yeah. It's me being like, ah, yeah, it kind of looks better, right? All right.
No, Armor All brings vinyl back.
Yeah. You can definitely see where the marks are, and it's just going to be that way forever.
Oh, no, to make no, because you're gonna probably put a cover on it anyway.
Yeah, true.
So it'll just cover it up again.
All right. That looks pretty good.
The next day, we got the ignition switch out, and the previous person already drilled it out. Very nice. So here's the before and the after. I'm honestly so happy about this transformation, and it makes me so excited to work on the rest of the car. It looks so much better already. And thanks for watching.
Thoughts.
I don't know.
Thoughts. Mind empty. I don't want to break it.